What's up, everybody? Time 45 here, and we are back with Ryan.
What's up, guys?
And what do we got today, Ryan?
Chinese Type 13 Menu 1 ration.
Never had a Chinese ration, so...
Nope, excited to get it open and see what's inside.
Yeah, let's get this open. So here's the ration. We got a Chinese Type 13 Menu 1.
That's right.
I mean, it's just a normal bag. We got the directions on the back. Typical, you know. It's telling you how to make it. I obviously can't read Chinese. Can you, Ryan?
Yeah, no.
Let's get this thing open. Well, let's see what we got in here. So I have absolutely no idea what this is.
What does it feel like?
It's kind of squishy and hard at the same time.
This is how I like it.
Here, Ryan, fill that.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. What does that feel like? It feels like the inside of a... We got our, looks like our main course here with the heating bag. Not sure exactly what's in here, but guess we'll see.
So we got feels like another main course. It's like hard as a rock. I have no idea what this stuff is. I got these a long time ago, and it's kind of spongy. Feel that, press on that.
Yeah, that's how the other one was too. It was kind of hard and soft at the same time.
We'll find out what it is. And lastly, we have our, it feels like a beverage base powder. Not sure what kind, but we'll get that open.
Last, we got our spoon, napkin, and whatever this is for, I'm not exactly sure.
Oh no, it kind of looks like it's maybe like a water, fill it up to there and pour it.
Yeah, I'm not too sure on that. Is that what you're supposed to, is this what you're supposed to make your beverage in? If you don't have anything? Like like a little...
I don't know.
Well, I'm not sure either.
Alright, Ryan, so we're gonna heat up some of this food, and it's telling us to put a small amount of water in here. It's kind of like the American one.
Yeah.
Let's pour some water in here. We're gonna use our little bag we have here and hope for the best.
Oh yeah.
That's starting to heat up. So while this is heating up, we're gonna get the other one started heating up so we can try it for you. Yeah, this is getting pretty warm. I don't know if you guys can really hear it. Ah, that's hot.
So we're gonna pour some water in the second one here.
Getting hot.
Woo! Getting toasty. Alright, we're gonna get this open and put it on the tray.
No idea. Ooh.
Oh,
Whoa.
what is that? What is that?
Is that like banana peppers?
No, it smells like, what is that? Why can't I think of the name?
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut, that's it.
Is that sauerkraut?
That's what it smells like.
I mean, I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's like yellow.
Is that supposed to go with one of the meals, maybe? Like, just
yeah.
like whatever's in there?
Ooh.
I don't know about you, but I'm not the biggest sauerkraut fan, but I'll eat it.
I mean, it smells like a spicy sauerkraut.
Yeah, sauerkraut's normally like white, isn't it? Like a whitish
It's like
color.
pickled sauerkraut, maybe. Smells good.
Right.
All right. So while our food's heating up, you actually might be able to hear it boiling over there. We're gonna make our beverage base powder. No idea what kind, so it'll be a nice little surprise. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, jeez. I mean. Oh. Oh. Doesn't smell too pleasant. Smell that.
Is that yeast? It kind of smells like yeast.
So right now we have our food actually boiling. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it is boiling in both. Couple more minutes. Currently one of the main courses is still steaming and hot. Let's get the...
Oh, it's not even hot, dude. Alright, let's get this opened up. Oh.
Rice?
Rice. Kind of rice medley.
It's like Uncle Ben's.
I don't know if this is the main course. It's a loaf of rice. It's like a rice and maybe some kind of meat mixed in there.
Yeah, it looks like roast beef and rice patty. Here's the second course, still steaming hot. Burned my finger a couple times, but that's all right. That's what I do for you guys. See, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is very hot.
Give me.
This one's hotter.
Toss it.
Ah!
That's always I like the kind of like the chemtrails on it. That's like pure anthrax. Let's get the second main course open.
More rice.
More rice. Oh my. Should I just dump it? Like,
Yeah, put it right next to it. We'll get a comparison. So you can see one of the rices are darker and it looks like it has some kind of moist meat in it.
yeah, and the other rice has some kind of mostly vegetables. Like
Yeah,
there's
it's-
little chunks of meat in it, I think.
Yeah, so looks like they have a solid diet of sauerkraut, lemonade, and rice, and all kinds of different mixed grains and meat in it. So, Ryan, what do you think? You want to give this a try?
Yep, let's give it a try.
All right, Ryan, it's time to eat. What do you want to start? I think we should start with this green sauerkraut.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
I mean, it's not going to hurt you.
You don't know that.
Did you smell it?
Wait, did you smell it?
There's like a green juice residue on the tray. All right, Ryan, let's try it.
It's crunchy.
Spicy? Has a little spice.
It's not bad.
It sounds like I'm eating like hard crackers or like a hard candy. It's not too bad. Sounds like I'm eating a baby carrot.
That's pretty good.
All right, Ryan. Which one do you want to try first? Which rice? Got the brown rice or the white rice?
Go with the brown rice.
Brown rice.
Yeah.
Make sure you get a little of everything in there. You know. Yeah. Get a big spoonful. It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. It has like a
Tastes like rice.
yeah, but there's like a grease on it or something. I think it's with the beef, and it kind of just keeps its form as if it was still in the package. And there's like a harder consistency. Like it's not a like a really soft rice. There's still a little. I wouldn't say a crunch, but like This tastes like a good rice with meat in it. Mm-hmm. I just got a little bit of meat. It kind of tastes like shredded beef.
Yeah.
That's what it is, shredded beef and brown rice.
It's probably where all the grease comes from, too.
Yeah. Now, Ryan, time to try the other rice.
Let's dig in.
I like how it keeps its form, you know what I mean? This looks like more of a vegetable rice.
Slightly different flavor.
Yeah, it's
There's
like
no-
minus the beef.
I think there's still meat mixed in with the, yeah.
It's like a Slim Jim nub.
I think that's beef.
Ryan, pour me some lemonade. Doesn't smell anything like the powder itself.
It smells like yeast.
I feel like it's just really watered down lemonade. We might have had too much water to it.
That could be it, too.
Maybe that's what that little packet was.
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, it's not too bad.
No.
I wanted that.
Alright, Ryan, what did you think?
Overall, it was pretty good. I think the brown rice was a little bit better than the white rice.
Yeah,
to
it
me.
had more of a beef flavor.
Yeah.
Like there was little chunks of what would you call it? Like pulled roast or something?
Yeah, like
or-
some kind of, either that or pork. It might have been pork.
Yeah, how did I think of it?
I think it was pork, actually.
Either way, it was good. I mean,
Yeah.
I would definitely eat that. Me and Ryan ate pretty much all the rice. I didn't eat that much.
No. Sauerkraut was pretty good.
I wasn't a fan of the sauerkraut because when I think of sauerkraut, it kind of like melts in your mouth. This stuff was eating like hard candy. Like
Yeah.
that was the crunchiness to it.
Maybe it wasn't like, I don't know if it was exactly sauerkraut or like
It was
their
pickled.
tape.
It was pickled. Something was pickled.
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad though.
No, and the white rice was pretty good too. A little bit blander to me, but
Yeah, it needed salt. I think the white rice needed a little bit of salt.
yeah.
But I mean, overall, definitely a good ration to eat. I mean, a lot of carbs in it, good fuel.
Yeah.
Keep you going. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps us out and lets us know if you enjoyed the video. And also, make sure to subscribe for more of these videos like this. And till next time, peace out.
Peace out.